Hello, Namaste. This is Prerna from the Crafty Street. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a crafty haul video for you. So I did quite a bit of shopping recently, and this is my first video for the crafty haul, which shows the products that I bought from hnDMD.com. I will put a link to the website in the description box. So I bought a lot of stuff, and I'll get started. The first one, my being favorite of all time, so this is the paper packs, which are 12 by 12. So I bought this paper pack, which is mostly masculine, kind of good for Father's Day, good for the cards as such, and this one says Papa Kehte Hain. And next one is similar one, but this is dedicated to mothers, so this is Pyari Ma. And these are 160 GSM so paper. So this is not very thick paper. Not very happy with the thickness of the paper. Actually, I like a bit sturdy paper, so which I'll show you in a minute. The third one is called Sweet Love, again from Craft Angles. This is also very beautiful, and in fact this one again is from Craft Angles, and it says Be My Valentine. This paper is also very beautiful, but again these are very thin kind of papers. The last 12 by 12 paper pack that I have for you is from Papericious. It says I love you. This one is real sturdy paper, and I really like it, the design as well as the thickness of the paper. Moving on to the second thing that I bought. So I bought also quite a few 6 by 6 paper packs, which I'll just show you in a second. So I bought quite a few of those. So this one says Mystic Voyage. Now this also has 24 sheets of paper, and this is again is 160 GSM, and therefore this is very thin. Of course I am trying to thinking of ways of using this thin paper, because I don't normally use them, but the designs are really beautiful and colors too. So this one is Mystic Voyage. This is Time Flies, Blue and Red, Ripe Pomegranate, and this one is Rurality, Sweet Shop, Happiness as Flowers. It has a retro feel to it, and by far my favorite among all the 6 by 6 papers. The Crazy Cats, Winter Elf, Winter Story, another Winter Story. So even this is very nice. So the price point is good for these, but yeah, again as I said, the papers are really thin. The next thing that I bought are some jute twines, which have really beautiful leaves in them. So I bought 5 of those. So if you see, I bought 2 in red. These are really pretty. I mean, I'll just keep this side so get a real good view of this. This is very pretty, looks very elegant, and I am kind of thinking of new ways in which I can use these. So two of white and 1 of blue. So these are all the beautiful jute ribbons that I got. Next one, I bought a lot of stickers because I was running out of them. So I bought some dimensional stickers as well as some of the epoxy stickers. So this is, I'll just quickly show you guys. So all of this is available on hnDMD.com. So even the price point of this is good, given it's chipboard. So this is really good. And next one here is the epoxy stickers that I was saying. So let me try to get a closer view. So this is, I found this one very cute. I mean, particularly this one. So there are many that you will see here, right? So I bought quite a few of those also. So these are really fun. And next thing that I want to show you are the craft dies that I bought. So this is the first one. This is a vintage watch. Basically, the funny thing is the Roman numerals are not correct here. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be IV. Instead, it is 4 eyes. So I am thinking of, you know, hiding it, camouflaging it with some leaves, some butterflies maybe, so that it doesn't get seen. But yeah, this is something. This is a faulty about this die actually. Next one are some more dies that I bought. So first one, these are some beautiful frames. These are laced hearts, rainbow and sun. I really like this. These are flowers, very good for, you know, Christmas theme. And then there are some word dies. So this one says Mr. and Mrs. Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, another Happy Birthday. And this one is actually for baby themed album. So it says it's a girl and it's a boy. So yeah, these are the dies that I got, and I'll just put them aside and I'll show you the next items. So I also bought some really cute paper clips, which I'll just show you in a sec. So 2 of those. So one for, you know, some hearts, and some, these have some masculine images here. Yeah. So these are also really cute. I have to open these to see actually how sturdy they are, really, you know. I'm hoping these are quite sturdy, so this might actually look good and stay for a longer time. So that's about that. Next one is I bought one sequin also. So this has some antique look to it. I'll just, yeah, sequins, and I'm planning to use it in some vintage projects. So this is again from Craftangles. Next I bought these dowels, and I was planning to buy this for a long time. So yeah, I bought these also. So have some projects on my mind. The last thing, and the most beautiful thing that I actually got in all this shopping spree was lot of element packs. So HNDMD has a wide range of element packs which you can use in your various projects, and I will be covering that in my part 2 of this video. I don't want to make it very long and bore you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.